We're in southern Spain, in Barranco Salada, in Cretaceous sediments. And these are deep, relatively deep water sediments. And this thing that you can see here, with all these radiating lines coming out from it and kind of coming up into a little bit of a cone, this is a grazing trace fossil called Zoophycos. You get them all the way through much of the modern geological record for many, many millions of years, and probably different animals were making them. And essentially the animal was boring through this way and then eating, and it was actually screwing down into the sediments underneath it. It was making this kind of spiral shape of these series of cone sheets. And so this is the view of it on the bedding plane. They look very, very different when you have them in cross section, and we have that in some other sediments just slightly down the valley. So the bedding is coming out of the river here, and this is the cross section of the Zoophycos. So you can see this sense of you've cut through this lid, the cone that we saw before, and this corkscrewing down through the sediment. You can see that there are repeated copies of this cone all the way down, actually through down to here. So you've got about that length where it's been just spiralling down, just like an old-fashioned auger drill that spirals down through the sediment and eats basically all of the nutrients in the sediments as it spirals down. You can actually see the rasping structure, these lots of little kind of curved lines cutting through this. Really, really nice example of a cross-section of Zoophycos, and it was nice to see that one on the bedding plane further up.